Everyone, I'm meteorologist Kim Cunningham. It is time now for a tropical update. We're going to update you on a tropical storm Fernan about making landfall here in Veracruz, Mexico. Right now, though, the center and the latest advisory is 5 miles north of Veracruz. And looking at observations of Veracruz, the winds have really calmed down. We did have gusts over 50 miles per hour earlier tonight, but as the center gets in there, we're looking at winds calming down. But 50 mile per hour winds, what we got up to as the hurricane hunters went in there earlier and found it to be a tropical storm, and it did strengthen a little bit since then. The pressure went down to 1,001 millibars, moving west at 9 miles per hour. The good news is it's interacting with land now and about to make landfall, that this should begin to weaken as far as winds. But our concern is definitely going to be the rainfall threat that will happen here in Mexico. So there's the movement again at west at 9 miles per hour, and I'm hoping we can go over to max 3 on this, and I can show you what's going on here with this. So winds are at 50 miles an hour, the pressure 1,003 millibars. We're watching it move west, and it will continue to move west, and then maybe more towards the northwest with time. But notice the winds calm down, but again, it's going to be the rain threat that's going to be the big problem. We've got some peaks in the Sierra Madre mountain range of over 18,000 feet. So put all that tropical moisture in there, you're going to get some flooding. Veracruz seeing some rain now, especially here off to the west. North of that towards Tampico, not expecting much with this. So here it is on our radar, and you can see the circulation, see everything rotating around this direction. Again, the center very close to making landfall around Veracruz, Mexico at this time. So this is what it's going to look like over the next couple of days. We're going to watch it move inland, put down maybe 5 to 8 inches of rainfall, possibly 12 inches depending on location. So isolated spots getting over 12 inches, especially the front range of the Sierra Madre, because we're going to get a lot of upslope conditions here. So that's going to be a problem for us. So very heavy rain there. That's a problem. We're hoping to get some of that moisture up into Texas, though, and that's possible over the next couple of days. We'll keep an eye on that for you. But the rest of the Gulf of Mexico, a front in the area. We're seeing some showers and storms, but not looking at tropical development. All right, looking here to the Atlantic, a couple of weak disturbances, and I say weak and I mean weak. So not much happening there, although we're watching several of these disturbances coming off of Africa. We are in a Cape Verde season now, and this is where we look for the main development region for tropical systems, and this one may be the one to watch over the next couple of days. But rule of thumb, if they develop, they're a strong tropical storm or hurricane, they do it before 40 west. A lot of times they recurve and don't even make it over towards the U.S., and we hope that's the case here. But keep an eye on it. We're also watching here in the eastern Pacific an area of low pressure, what's left of tropical cyclone Evo. It is now bringing a lot of moisture up into the southwest, where we have flash flooding going on and have the potential over the next couple of days as well.